Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, here from the question, they given that suppose that the test scores are normally distributed in a certain population with a mean of 55. So here mean mu which is equal to 75 and the standard deviation sigma which is equal to 10. So x follows the normal distribution of mu is equal to 55 and the standard deviation sigma which is 10. Now for the subpart A, here we need to find the proportion of people have score less than 65. So we have to find the probability of score which is less than 65. The probability of x less than 65 is equal to the probability of x minus mu divided by sigma less than 65 minus 55 divided by 10. Now by simplifying this we get z less than 1. By using the z table we get 0.8413. So 8.8413 of scores which is less than 65. Then for the subpart B, here we need to find the proportion of scores between 35 and 70. So here we need to find probability of 35 less than x less than 70, which is equal to probability of 35 minus 55 divided by 10 less than x minus mu by sigma less than 70 minus 55 divided by 10. By simplifying this, probability of minus 2 less than z less than 1.5. It is equal to probability of z less than 1.5 minus probability of z less than minus 2. Now, by using the z table, we obtain a value 0.93392 minus 0.02275. It is equal to 0.9117, rounding to 4 decimal places 0.9112. Now for the subpart C, here the number of students. The number of students out of 1000 who have scored between 35 and 70. So here we know that the required number of students who scored 35 and 70, which is 1000 into probability of 35 less than x less than 70. From the above part we know the probability value which is 0.91117. It is equal to 911.17. Approximately it is 911. Therefore here we conclude that 911 students out of 1000 who have scored between 35 and 70. Then for the subpart D, the percentile, we need to find the percentile of a score which is above 75. Score of 75. So the probability of x less than 75 is equal to probability of x minus mu by sigma less than 75 minus 55 divided by 10. By simplifying this, we get probability of z less than 2. By using z table, we get 0.97725. So the percentile of someone has a score of 75, which is 0.97725. Now here we need to make a curve for the above probability, which is, this is our curve, the mean value, mean which is 55 and the score 75. So this is the area which is probability of score 75, the area which is 0.97725. So now we conclude our final answer for the subparts. the proportion of people have score less than 65 is equal to 0.84134. Then for the subpart B, the probability of scores between 35 and 70, which is 0.9112, and the number of students out of 1000 who have scored 35 and 70, which is 911. Then for the subpart D, the percentile of someone has a score of 75 is equal to 0.97725. Hope you found the video useful. Thank you.